Hi, beautiful people, and yes, I'm Sisian from Manifest Sisian. Today, my live is basically about the power of the mind. I'm using information from the book called Outwitting the Devil by Napoleon Hill. Napoleon wrote this lovely book in 1938. Okay, the power and outwitting the devil. It's all about Napoleon interviewing the devil. The devil is a metaphor, it's not a real being, right? Um, he's basically having this interview with the devil to find out basically how does the devil operate, why does the devil control people and all those things, what's the purpose of his control and whatever, right? So the book is quite interesting because it also speaks a lot into self-development, okay? And knowing thyself, okay? Because the devil speaks about concepts like drifting, concept like hypnotic rhythm. So yeah. So the drifting part is basically saying that it's about people not living consciously, people not making decisions for their lives, and people living in our say just following the crowd like sheep, okay, not really understanding where they're going, not setting goals and not working towards their goals because they're just living, they're drifting, like they're just drifting across life without really being conscious.